Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to change the sync repetition duration in X. Adjusting the sync interval allows you to control how frequently X synchronizes data and updates content on your device. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Look for the app icon and tap on it to launch the application. Once inside the app, locate the account icon. It's usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 2. In the Account Settings menu, look for the option labeled Settings and Support. Tap on it, and then tap on Settings and Privacy to proceed. Step 3. Now, within the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the section titled Accessibility, Language, and Display. Tap on it to access the specific settings related to accessibility and display options. Step 4. Among the accessibility settings, locate and tap on Data Usage. This option allows you to manage how X utilizes data on your device. Step 5. Within the data usage settings, you'll find the sync interval option. Tap on it to select the suitable duration for the sync repetition. Choose the duration that best fits your preferences and needs. Congratulations! You have successfully changed the sync repetition duration in X. By following these simple steps, you can customize how frequently X syncs data and updates content on your device. This flexibility ensures that you have control over your data usage and the most up-to-date information in X. Thank you for watching, and may your sync repetition duration in X be perfectly tailored to your preferences.